So basically, this is my organic pile bin. I basically fill this up with almost all of the discarded, meat morphs? Not meat morphs. The organic material that I don't either eat or digest. Put this into a barrel, let it dry, into a bucket, a bin, something that's wide, something that's dispersed. So things dry out. I put all the old spent grains, orange banana peels, freaking tuna, just about anything really. Hair, I put hair in here as well, hair clippings. But I'd empty this out, put it back onto the lawn. Instead of having to go through the body, this goes to basically directly regenerating process of the earth and creating new soil. It's a little faster to go through your body, but it also returns back to the earth, cycles of earth a little bit better. The insects, animals, and everything else, wildlife, can basically eat off this. Mango, orange peels, tea bags, whatever, paper, scrap paper, freaking spent, dandelion stems, dandelion leaves. Yeah, just about anything. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get this out now. Put it on the grass.